What we doing?
All right, guys. So, we're cleaning Tombstone up.
Oh, damn!
Like nothing, boy. Like nothing.
That's it.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Or welcome back to YouTube, actually. Today's video, we're gonna be finally working on this. By the way, this is probably the first video of 2025. We've been slacking a little bit. Not gonna lie, it's been extremely bad weather here in Florida. I don't know if you guys know, it's been snowing.
Brick City.
It's just been raining over here, but we haven't really done nothing to none of the cars, but we're gonna start getting into these videos, guys. And today's video, we're gonna be cleaning up the box and trying to take out the interior, probably getting, trying to see what's going on in there, trying to see if we can get this, just look a little bit more presentable, probably get a list of all the stuff we gotta start ordering. We're gonna take the wheels off. We definitely need new tires, that's for sure. We're gonna take the wheels off, check the brakes, because the brakes are pretty low. Do a full maintenance, full tune-up, try to get it working pretty much
At least
in
a good A to B.
decent condition. And then we're gonna start doing all the cool stuff with it. But stay tuned to the video, don't skip it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and watch all the entertainment. Well, guys, let's begin on this. Oh, damn, I'm getting wet over here. Let's begin on this. We got our degreaser. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna spray the truck real quick with some degreaser first. Get all this mold off of it, and then do both sides, the front, probably do the engine bay, but we gotta turn it around. But we're trying to get as much light as we can, so we'll probably just flip it around every time we're doing the other side.
Damn, everything's taking the rust off. Ooh.
Dude, give me a bucket, yo.
You're gonna waste all that on
I'm
one
not gonna put all of it.
on one little bucket.
No, just give me a bucket. A little bit of water.
ASMR, boy.
Let me get it.
I wasn't done.
Let me get it.
I was still doing the inside.
Relax, Papa. Relax.
I want to finish my ASMR.
Yo, guys. So, what do you guys think? Should we two-tone it with rust and white and black and patina it, or should we just leave it like this and clear it and patina it?
Ice cream and all?
Ice cream and all, everything. Nah, we'll change that, but everything else stays the same. Damn. Huh? Do what? Get up there, homie. Get up there.
Quick little update. We still washing the truck. Kind of lost the broomstick broke, but yeah, we're still washing this thing. Definitely cleaned up a lot more. I don't know if you guys seen the beginning of the video. Yeah, this man flinging dirt around. But we're just pretty much gonna do this whole front now that we have left. And then we're gonna get into the engine bay, probably leave it running so we could do it. Just trying to get all the dirt off of it just so it could look better. Could start making a list of all the stuff we gotta buy. Definitely gotta do some body work to the roof. The roof is definitely bent. I don't know if I can catch it on camera, but it's pretty bent up. Definitely need new fenders. The doors, we're gonna try to save them, just sand them down. And then definitely need a new front, whole new grill. The hood is good. We're gonna just get a whole new bumper and valance, and then see how bent the tabs are and stuff like that. But definitely need new fenders. This one's really bad. Front end, need to fix the roof. Gotta take the window off because it's leaking inside. And yeah, but the bed is pretty solid, so at least that's good. But yeah, let's keep getting into this cleaning. I think it was off here though, right? No, it's close. Yeah, it was doing something. Pumping, boy. Pump it. Well, guys, we did a lot. Looks cleaner. Now we're gonna tackle the engine bay. As you guys can tell, it's pretty dirty. We're gonna leave it running because this happened many times. I don't know if it happened to you guys. We clean the engine bay, and then this don't want to start, and then you gotta chase down why it doesn't want to start. So we're gonna leave it running.
Wrap up your dizzy. Don't be silly.
Yeah, we wrapped up the dizzy and the coil pack just to make sure it doesn't get water in it. But let me go ahead and start this puppy up.
Yo, it's funny how the intake right here like goes down and then comes up the body. You think this is like factory turboed?
Yo,
How
from
bad's a
now on-
concussion?
Listen, from now on, we're gonna add a whole ass bar right here.
Yo, with some foam.
Cause God, bro, that hurt. Let's hear the ASMR. Hold on. Woo! Damn, boy. I told you it was that dizzy.
Hit the rev limiter.
Bro, Pete Motor Mounts is still fleek from 1969, bro.
Hit the rev limiter one time for the boys. Hit
Yeah,
it for
do
the
it.
boys, Lolly.
Do it for the boys, bro.
Do it for the boys, yo.
Nah, do it one time. Do it
Do
one
it for the
time.
boys, yo. Do it for the boys.
Do it. Before it turns off, do it.
Yeah. Before it turns off, do it for the boys. What's that? What motor is this? Something Toyota V6 power. Look.
Bro, the battery's been,
Hey, yo.
the battery's been rubbing on the.
Yo, but Toyota, what's with your battery placement, bro?
At least it ain't ground out. It's because it's missing the.
Yeah, I know. Now we're gonna have to put a strap like every
We're
other
gonna have to
Toyota.
get a K2 billet one.
And then we're gonna put
The
6
16.
alternators because we're gonna put 1821s in the back for bass. It's gonna be a bass tunnel. That'll be sick.
Doing that system on it.
Party on the go. Party on the go.
Alright, I'm gonna pause it.
Good rain. You know the name of this truck?
Toyota pickup.
Toyota 1 ton.
God damn, that bit big.
Hey, yo,
Adapter, boy.
bro.
Oh, that's a regular 6-lug adapter. Or like that's a regular 6.
Bro, we about to throw some
D's on it.
dude on that.
Look like a regular. Like you take this off, you can put a regular wheel on that.
Yeah, you can. It's just a thing. Yo, we should put these on the. We should put these on the Celica. And set it up.
Yeah, check this.
That suspension setup is weird. Like I'm pretty sure you take that out, you could probably like you'll probably have to do is
Fit
like
the-
take the whole hub off.
You can
and
fit the
put a regular
TRD
hub
wheels.
with the studs because they probably took the studs out and put bolts so you could bolt this to that.
Oh.
That'd be dope then, because then all you'd have to do is just buy adapters for the back wally, right? And then just.
And then you can run like a 16 by 15.
Honest, you know what you could do what the Puerto Ricans do? Take this, huh?
have to leave it a dually.
You could take this off, right?
Or you can put a vet.
And have someone re-drill it out for like an 8-lug. So the front, so you can put like an 8-lug wheel, and then the back you just make.
Yo, flip it, make a deep dish. Yo, you could though.
That's how you're low-key brand new.
It's just this one though. Although it looks messed up.
Boom.
Put it on like.
Man, about to drop the whole truck.
All right, boys. What you think about that fitment? And it's bolted up. Yes, sir. You thought.
Double wheel, boy. You can drive it like that.
What'd you think about the results of taking the wheels off?
We definitely didn't get anything done. 0 results, but we did find out that all the wheels are the same. So we only have to powder coat 2 wheels of the 6.
4 wheels of the 6.
Quick math. Jesus. Bye. Bye. No, I'm just kidding.
Chat, roast some chat. Get on his ass, chat.
We only have to do 4 wheels of the 6. And yeah, the brakes doesn't look like it's leaking, but we're gonna try bleeding them first. Front pads look brand new. The rear, we have to take off that whole hub thing and all that. So it's a lot of work. We're not trying to do that. Can't feel my fingers right now. It's kind of cold.
Temperature drop.
But we got most of the work done. We got the ice cream cone pretty cleaned up. So now you can actually see it's an ice cream cone. And yeah, we got the whole cab clean. The interior is gonna be next. We're gonna probably take all this stuff out. The seat's kind of nasty under here. Oh, I found a dipstick though. So now we can check the transmission fluid because it's probably low.
For the train? I was about to say, no wonder why they wanted to shut off. The fucking block got fucking water in it.
Nah, this is the transmission fluid. But yeah, it's pretty caked up under there, so you're gonna have to take this off. It does have a seat cover, so you'll probably be able to pressure wash it, but
Oh, W if the seat cover protection. The mold.
so we're gonna take this apart and then yeah, and then go from there. Let us know what you guys think about the new project and how it's going. It's definitely gonna be a lot of work, but this is gonna be video 1 of many videos to come. It was the actually getting into this thing, so now it's actually keep working on it now. Probably next video will be working on the brakes and the interior, and probably get a tune-up going on it because it's pretty cammed out. I don't know if you guys heard it on the video. Definitely needs a tune-up, but
that shit got a stage 3 killer cam.
But yeah, boys, hope you guys enjoyed the quick little ASMR that we did for you guys, even though it was cold. Stay tuned to more videos. We're gonna be working on all the cars, but for now, this is the one we're gonna be working on. We gotta get this done before GAT, way before GAT. We want to get this into the whole vision that we have going for it. But stay tuned to more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and catch us on the next video.
Smells like